Okay, so this is the morning after the procedure was done with Samson Hair Restoration. So this is the doctor that had it done yesterday, and I was with him throughout the entire night. I'm his wife, and I'm just recording this video for Tina, who texted my husband in the morning. That was his first text to check on him. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I took the medications that were prescribed and I feel fantastic. I have zero pain at this time. I feel normal.
Right now it's about 11 a.m. He just had breakfast, hasn't had any pain medicine yet. This is how it's looking. So he has the bandage in place as instructed by the facility, and he was able to sleep okay at least 45-degree angle as instructed as well, and the bandages did not come off.
I had a very good night's sleep. I'm not used to sleeping sitting up at 45 degrees, but I slept like a baby and I feel great. We're driving home to Palm Springs this morning. I'm ready to go.
Yes, so we spent the night only because you don't have to necessarily spend the night. It's not that bad, but we were able to spend the night just to be sure, only because we live about 2.5 hours away. But we'll be checking back with Tina with more videos on the following days and how everything starts looking. Okay, so we just washed his head for the first time 48 hours post-op the procedure. So I'm just gonna show how it looks here after being unwrapped for the first time and washed as instructed. Okay, so that looks really good. And I helped him. I'm his wife. Again, this is the doctor that did the hair restoration with Samson. So how did it feel having the bandage taken off for the first time?
Hello. Hi, Tina and the Samson crew. I feel great. It's been 48 hours. I just took off my bandage and my wife Roseanne washed it. I feel fantastic. Your crew was fantastic. All of you were so incredible. It was minimal pain. I felt less pain than I went to the dentist and had injections. I have no pain at this time. I feel great. I could actually go to work tomorrow, Tina, but you told me to take 5 to 8 days off.
Yes.
But thank you very much. I feel it's a miracle. So thank you very much, all of you.
And I'll be sending more pics and videos to Tina as the days go on. Okay, so today is day 5 post-op. I'm gonna show you around here. So I just helped him wash his head and hair, and I applied the ointment as instructed. So you can see how, that's why it looks kind of greasy, because there's ointment. I'm about to wrap it up. This is the back, this is the other side here. There. And then let's see, put your head down. There's the top there. And then lower. There's that part there. So it looks like it's healing really well. Okay, look up. So how do you feel?
I feel fantastic. Day 5. I have zero pain, minimal pruritus.
Which is what? Nobody...
Hereditary or itching, just mild itching, which I relate to the normal healing process. I feel fantastic. I feel like Benjamin Button II. I'm coming back. I'm looking forward to 12 months from now, 18 months from now, when the hair fills in, and I'm going back in time.
Yeah.
Other men my age are losing hair, especially in the frontal area. But thanks to Samson Hair Restoration, Dr. John is growing hair in the next 12 to 18 months. So thank you, Samson Hair Restoration.
Yes, so I've been giving him Claritin today and yesterday for the itching. It's over the counter, as Tina recommended. And as far as pain, we've just been giving him Tylenol, not Norco, just Tylenol by itself as needed, because he has been doing great and sleeping fine without any other medications. So we'll be sending Tina some more pictures and videos later on.
I think my hair is going to be so thick, I'll have to get a larger hat size.
Oh my God. Okay, thank you. We'll see you later. Okay, so today is day 8 after the procedure, and he just washed his head normally today. Can you look down? So you can see here. Side, you can look up. Side, and then you can see the part that was shaved off is already growing back quickly. Okay, so how do you feel?
I'm feeling fantastic on day 8 after Samson Hair Restoration. Made me younger. There was a small amount of blood that coagulated on the anterior portion of the scalp, which is normal. It's normal after a lot of procedures, medical procedures and surgical procedures, and that's cleared up and I feel great.
And I was just concerned as his wife, so I called Tina and she FaceTimed with me immediately and gave me instructions on what to do. And put your head down. As you can see here, there was previous pictures had big portions of dried blood yesterday, and today it's gone completely here. There's just a small little bit here, but it was a lot bigger, so she was there to quickly answer my call and FaceTime with me and give us instructions and stayed on the phone to answer any other questions, and she really made sure that there was no issue with the grafts, and there aren't any, so that's good.
Yeah, I washed my hair this morning for the first time, so I was very gentle. So there may be a small amount of dried blood still there, but I didn't want to be too robust or too energetic and cause any problems. I'm sure it'll clear up in the next day or two.
Okay, so today is day 9 post-op. So I'm gonna show you how he put your head down. So he washed it right, his head and hair the regular way today, and you can see how it's clean. The blood clots that were there previously easily came off when he showered today. So everything looks really good there. And then put your head back normal. And then the sides here, you can see his hair is already growing out. It doesn't look infected at all. So now we are no longer putting the ointment on it. We already finished those days of the ointment, but it looks nice and clean. There's no infection. So yeah. So how do you feel?
I feel fantastic. I have no pain. I have no discomfort. It was a great thing that I did going to Samson Hair Restoration. I'm very excited about my new hair. There was a small amount of blood that coagulated several days ago that washed off easily just with gentle rinsing. All the grafts look great. I look great because of Samson Hair Restoration. Thank you.
Yeah, and the only thing that he has minor itching, and he's been taking Claritin for that.
Yeah, very minor, but there's some pruritus or itching.
Yeah, but I think as of now, you really don't have any itching.
No, I think
it was mainly like day 4 or 5.
Mostly from the healing process.
Yeah,
as in any healing process with a wound or procedure. I'm very satisfied. Thank you.